Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove watch trailers on Netflix. If you ever click a trailer by mistake and now it's haunting your continue watching list or ruining your recommendations, here I'm going to show you how you can remove it from your viewing activity or history. So now, here I'm going to do it on mobile. You can just go to the My Netflix menu at the bottom right corner and then click on the three lines at the top. Go to the account settings, click on account, and you'll be directed to this page right here. Now you can just scroll down in here and click on this privacy and data settings, and you'll see this option viewing activity. So here you can manage your watch history and ratings. Click on that options, and here are all the lists of my watch trailers or watch history. You can just scroll down in here, and there will be this option to hide them all. Click on that option and click on yes, hide all my viewing activity, and that's it. So your watch trailers or watch history will be hidden and removed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.